The Limitation Act, 1963, establishes the maximum period for initiating legal cases in court. This act defines the specific timeframes within which legal action must be commenced. If a case is filed after this prescribed duration, the court is legally obliged to dismiss it. Such a case is then formally designated as time-barred, preventing further legal proceedings. The Limitation Act serves to define specific time limits for initiating legal actions. A primary objective is to encourage the prompt filing of legal claims. This prevents the adjudication of outdated or stale claims, ensuring fairness. The framework contributes significantly to enhancing legal certainty within the judicial system. It ensures that legal disputes are addressed while evidence remains accessible and reliable. Ultimately, the Act promotes the efficient administration of justice for all parties involved. This Act applies specifically to civil cases, establishing distinct time limits for various legal suits. A crucial feature is that the right to seek a remedy through court action may be forfeited. This forfeiture occurs upon the expiration of the defined limitation period. However, the underlying legal right itself may still theoretically exist, even without a judicial remedy. Different categories of civil cases are subject to varying limitation periods. A limitation period defines the maximum time within which legal proceedings must be initiated. For instance, actions for the recovery of money typically have a 3-year limit. Similarly, claims related to a breach of contract also generally adhere to a 3-year period. However, claims for the recovery of immovable property extend to a 12-year limitation. Appeals to the High Court usually have a shorter 90-day period for filing. Section 3 of the Act introduces the bar of limitation principle. This legal provision dictates strict enforcement of time limits in judicial proceedings. Courts are mandated to reject any suit, appeal, or application. This rejection occurs if the filing is made after the prescribed limitation period has elapsed. The principle ensures legal certainty and prevents indefinite litigation. Section 5 of legal statutes addresses the extension of prescribed periods in court proceedings. It allows for an extension if sufficient cause for the delay is demonstrated. The court must be satisfied with the presented justification for the delay. Conversely, Section 12 deals with the exclusion of certain time frames from limitation periods. This includes time required to obtain copies of judgments or orders. These periods are not counted when calculating the overall limitation period for a legal action.